In a quiet Igbo village, where the red earth breathed stories of the past, life moved slowly under the golden glow of the setting sun. Children played, palm trees swayed, but among them stood Chidinma, the beauty every man desired, and the danger no man survived. Her smile could warm the coldest heart, yet her eyes hid secrets darker than the night. With every step, with every glance, she left a trail of broken hearts and shattered pride. Many tried to win her heart, young men full of dreams and strength, but they all ended the same, empty, defeated, their spirits crushed by her sweet growths. Then Obinna came, a stranger, a man whose calm gaze pierced deeper than the world. He walked the village road like a shadow carried by the wind, and unlike others, he did not bow to her charm. Chidinma tried the smile, soft laughter, and the gentle touch, but Obinna stood still, unreadable. It was the first time her beauty had met a wall stronger than desire. One night, under the ancient silk cotton tree, Usisiao, they faced each other. The wind whispered through the leaves. The moon watched in silence. Something unspoken passed between them, something not of this world. And then she saw it. His eyes glowing with an unholy light. Behind him, his shadow twisted horns, rising like the devil's own crown. Obinna was no ordinary man. Fear gripped her chest as the earth itself seems to move beneath her. Shadows danced and twisted, whispering in voices older than the village itself. But Obinna stood calm, a stone trapped in human skin. By the morning, Chidinma was gone. All that remained was her face carved deep into the silk cotton tree, eyes wide in the internal terror. The villagers whispered the spirit had claimed her. And on the other night, when the moon is full, some say they still see him, Obinna, standing in the shadow, watching, waiting for the next heart to break. Chidinma is gone.